Oh, will you trucks just shut up? Ooh, are we being too loud for you, Frilly? It's Freddy. Freddy! Trucks. Miserable creatures. At Brendam Docks, some new trucks and wagons were being delivered to the yard, and, as usual, were rather troublesome. Cranky the Crane was quick to criticize.
Ugh, I'm glad this is over. I mean, I can still hear the trucks giggling in my ears.
One morning, Freddy was sulking. Jimmy, can you shunt these trucks for me?
Shunting? Do I look like a tank engine to you?
Well, I hate to say it, but...
Oh, shut up. Come on, you horrid lot. Get a move on.
Oi, you alright there, Jimmy?
Do I look alright? I swear to the heavens these trucks are driving me bonkers. I've been late 3 times this week. 3! If this keeps up, the fat controller will be sorely displeased with me.
Jimmy, simmer down. Everything's going to be under control. Why don't you go to the shed and have a breather?
Do you really mean it, Murray?
Simply, I've got a few minutes left just before my next train. Carry on. Now, for some of the fans of Thomas who may not know this, Oliver has always had good reports with trucks, though it hasn't always been that way. Many of the older trucks hadn't forgotten the Scruffy incident. But at the same time, the old trucks haven't yet had the chance to explain the problem to the new ones. Now, I've heard that you've caused plenty of problems for my friend, and I'd rather that you not cause any trouble for me. Say, driver, there's a particularly unusual smell going on around here. No, actually there is. Oh no, we've hit a hotbox. You know just when that's going to happen. So the driver and fireman scrambled out of the cab to inspect the damage.
Well, what do you make of that, driver?
Hotbox.
Well, I know what to do with that. Melvin's. Best for all cafes in Britain.
So the fireman poured the latte all over the axle box. This way, the extinguisher would soon cool down the axle, so they can get moving again. Then, an idea flew into Murray's funnel. Melvin? Hey, I like that. Really? Melvin? That's not funny, even for an oversized kettle.
Excuse me?
Be quiet, you rotten troublemaker. We shouldn't be treated like this. When he pulls us next time, we'll have some fun. Soon the trucks were causing plenty of trouble all over the island. Hold back, you! Hold back! Hold back! Stop messing about, you lot. Goodness.
Hiya, what's up? Is something wrong?
Oh, crumbs. Looks like one of the trucks have come off the line.
Let me guess which one.
And mind you polish my brass today. Oi! Get away from that engine! We need you as a stopping block! Wait, what? Really, Melvin? Again? When I get back on the rails, I'm going to enjoy every second of this afternoon crushing you idiots. Oh, shut up, you hot red pepper. There's nothing you can do to stop us now. We are kings of the yard. I do hate it when this happens to me. It took 5 days to straighten my buffer beam. 5 days! The yard's in a right state too at the moment, and it's all thanks to that dreadful Melvin.
Well, I recommend that we just get you to pull them apart, Freddy. You know, scare some discipline into them. You know, much like Oliver did with that scruffy fellow.
Yes, scattering the remains of wagons all over the yard, causing more problems. Top notch there, Jimmy. Hello? What seems to be the problem? Oh, hi, Oliver. We were just, having a bit of a discussion about the new troublesome trucks who have been causing confusion and delay all over the island. I see. Well, they may be troublesome, but think about it. Trucks are quite literally our coal and water, and without them, what might the railway even come to? Yes, but you must admit that things are getting out of hand, Oliver. Freddy's quite right, you know. It might appear to me that before the new trucks arrived, though rude, the old ones respect us. Nowadays, the new trucks delay our trains and make a general nuisance of themselves. It is a shame, really. We just know the problem, we just don't know how to solve it. Well, you're in luck. I know a lot about trucks. And, I think I have a proposition for you. The next day, Murray was shunting trucks for James. In a few minutes, Oliver's plan on getting back at Melvin was being put to the test. Right, look sharp, you lot. Oh no, it's that little pipsqueak again. Right, when we get to the top, gentlemen, you know what to do. Murray was well on his way to the station. He was certainly determined to not have the trucks beat him. As a result, the trucks were becoming slightly sinister, but Murray carried on. Eventually, Murray crawled up to Gordon's Hill. The truck's chance had come. Right, now's our chance, fellas. Hold back! And so they did. The trucks were holding Murray back. Murray and his spinning wheels were struggling so much that the sparks showered from his funnel.
Contact!
Suddenly, he heard Percy's whistle as he was coming down the line.
Come on, Murray, you can do it!
Fire!
Then, Murray remembered what Oliver had said. He spun his wheels once again until his face turned dark blue. At the station, James and Flying Scotsman were waiting as Murray struggled to a stop.
I am mighty impressed. You showed those trucks who's boss.
Hooray for Murray!
Whistled James. Murray was both tired and grateful, but he was still cross with Melvin. So, what should we do with you then, eh? The scrapyard? Lucky for you, the Fat Controller has a perfect proposition for you.